Now, how about the theorem naman natin for perpendicular lines? Now, ang dalawang lines, masasabi natin na perpendicular if pag minultiply natin yung slope 1 and slope 2, they will equate to -1. Okay? Now, sa past example natin, let's verify that this is a rectangle, meaning 90 degrees to. They are perpendicular with each other. So, kunin muna natin ang line 1 and line 3. So, kunin natin line 1 and line 2. Line 1 and line 2, both have slope of -2/3. And yung line 3 and line 4, both have slope of 3/2. Now, sabi natin, for line 1 and line 3, alin yung line 1? Ito. And line 3 ito. Para ma-prove natin na perpendicular sila, dapat pag minultiply natin yung dalawa, pag minultiply natin yung dalawang slope, that is equal to -1. Okay? So, yung line 1 natin na slope of -2/3, and then yung M3 natin is 3/2. So, pag minultiply natin, that is -1. So, correct, this is perpendicular. So, kahit alin lang kunin nyo dyan, example, itong line 3 and line 2, parehas lang yan. Ito yan, -2/3 times 3/2, -1 lang yan. And then, ito naman, line 4 and line 1, pag minultiply natin, di ba, parehas lang din naman yan, -1. So, we can say, pwede nating sabihin na itong quadrilateral na to is a rectangle. Okay? So, yan ang theorem natin for our perpendicular and parallel lines. Now, for your practice problem, so you may try answering this practice problem on your notebook. Okay? So,